Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're making a fermented smoked poblano hot sauce. This recipe is super fun because we're going to go out to the grill and char some peppers before we get started. When it comes to heat level, poblanos definitely are at the lower end of the spectrum. But that lower heat level really puts the emphasis on that smoky flavor that makes this hot sauce so good. Before we get started, you'll definitely want to subscribe to this channel, and you can find a link to the full recipe in the description. Now let's smoke some peppers and get started on this hot sauce. First, we're going to smoke 4 poblano peppers. You want to cut them in half, remove the seeds, and then put them on the grill. There we go. After they're charred on one side, flip them over and grill some more. We're using a charcoal grill, this little hibachi, but you can use a gas grill or even your oven. You just want to char it very well on both sides. And when using a grill, make sure to move them around so they're evenly charred. Once they're charred on both sides, they're ready to come off the grill and cool down before you add to your ferment. You'll also need 1 medium onion, chopped, 6 cloves of garlic, slice those up, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 2 tablespoons of salt. We like this to have just a little bit of heat, so we add in 3 Serrano peppers in addition to the poblanos. But the star of the show are the poblano peppers, so you're going to take another 4 to put in fresh. Cut the tops off these and then roughly chop, seeds and all. Repeat for all 4. There you go. And of course, you'll need those charred poblano peppers again. For these, we're just gonna do a quick chop to break them into about the same size pieces that the other peppers are. Perfect. In your half-gallon fermentation jar, start packing in all your peppers, garlic, and onion. Get those serranos in too. Onions, garlic, peppers. Keep going. And of course, those charred poblanos are what's going to give it this great smoky flavor. Now get everything in, including that cumin, and add your fermentation whey. For your brine, you'll use 1 quart of water and 2 tablespoons of salt, then just whisk to dissolve. Add your brine into the fermenter. You'll want everything submerged underneath the weight. Add your lid and airlock and let ferment at room temperature for 2 to 3 weeks. After it's done fermenting, remove the weight and transfer all the solids to a blender. You don't want to pour the whole thing in because you're only using a cup of brine in this recipe. Keep going, get all that fermented goodness in there. Perfect. Now pour in a cup of brine, add that to your blender, and a cup of white vinegar. Then blend away. Once your hot sauce is totally smooth, you'll want to transfer it into bottles or jars. Funnels definitely help. This makes about 5 cups of hot sauce. Cover it up, and here you go. And now you have smoked Poblano fermented hot sauce. After blending and bottling, you'll want to store your hot sauce in the fridge. We really love this one because it has little specks of char throughout, and it's so smoky and delicious that we put it on everything. If you're ready to make your own fermented hot sauce, definitely check out our kits at FarmSteady.com and subscribe to this channel, and we'll keep the recipes coming. Bye.